guests and visitors, we would like to welcome you all for the annual recital for the special program in the arts. With a theme on the horizon from home to modern, every step tells a story. Partner. So siyempre ang battle cry ng ating eskwelahan, Marvelous Crusading for Honor and Excellence. Saan po galing yung Marvelous Crusading for Honor and Excellence? Siyempre sa ating mahal na punong-puno na witness na witness niya ngayong hapon yung ating recital. I would like to give you all our dear principal, Sir Marciano, together with the two assistant principal, Doc Che and Doc Joel, ayan. And of course, Sir Ariston Manuel, our Bulacan Education Program Supervisor for MAPE, and also our Department Head, Ma'am Esperanza Davidson. Siyempre, huwag mo maalisin yung babaeng katabi ng ating IPE sa MAPE. Ang nag-iisang ikaw. Ayan, Mr. Aris Manuel, Ma'am Michelle, Master Teacher. Ayan. Siyempre, ma'am. Okay, sir. Let's start.
Okay? So may we request everyone to please rise for the singing of our national anthem to be conducted by SMNHS Vocal and Sang, to be followed by an opening prayer.
Sasha Alina Amigos, SPA student.